Hey guys, welcome to my channel What's Up in My Kitchen. Today I have planned to make a breakfast, a Tamil wedding breakfast, and it's a long time wish of my family members and I have started to do this. I have covered all the recipes, that too specifically I have completed all these in an hour of time. So come on friends, let's get started. Now 8:15 in the morning, idli pot is set and tur dal and potato together I have kept on the cooker. So meantime, by the side I wanted to prepare for onion chutney, and for that I have taken a tablespoon of oil. Once it gets heated, I am going to add a teaspoon of urad dal. So allow it to splatter, and once it splatters we will add tomato and onions. So first we will add onions and let it fry for a minute. Later we will add the cut tomatoes also. So 2 tomatoes I have taken for 1 onion. So along with this we have to add red chilli as per our taste. So I have taken only 2 red chillies because we avoid taking too much of spicy food. So you can even add mint along with this. So I have not taken mint today as I want to keep it little simple. So salt as per taste, saute it, let it get softened and allow it to cool. So I am now transferring it to a plate so that it can get cool. So by the time the idli and the dal is getting ready, by the time it get pressed, we are going to grind the Bengal gram for chutney as well as the urad dal for medu vada. And now the potatoes and dal is ready for the next items. So until that I got to check the idlis and it is perfectly cooked. So now in the same cooker I have added rice and dal for pongal. Okay, so when the pongal is getting ready, in the same pan I am going to make potato masala for puri. For that I have taken jeera, mustard, chana dal and curry leaves as well as with green chilies. So now the sliced onions are entering into the pan and saute it for 2 minutes until it becomes soft. After that add a 1 tomato, not more than that, as it gives a good moisture to the potato masala. So once it is also become mushy, we will add some turmeric, then the mashed potatoes into it. Mash the potato with a ladle like this and add enough water so that it becomes together with a soft texture. Now add required salt into the curry and give a saute, and add few coriander leaves into it for the final touch and cover it with a lid. Allow it to cook for 5 minutes in simmer and you will get this texture, and once it gets cool it will become little bit tight, so we will take here. Now for medu vada I am adding the peppercorns and jeera along with it. By the time the oil gets heated I am going to add few onions into it and then the chopped coriander and curry leaves with some salt. So mix it well, and green chilies must be added for the flavor, and I am adding only few into it. So once gets mixed up, we should not forget to add hot oil because it will not consume oil when we deep fry into it. So never miss this step when we are preparing medu vadas. When the medu vadas are getting ready, by the time we will start seasoning our dal also. So mustard, jeera, small onions and curry leaves with pinch of hing. Along with that, adding a dry red chili and allow it to cook for a minute. By the time we will flip off the vadas which is cooking by the side. So now I am adding half tomato, and there are types of sambar, and I am making it bit simple. So after the tomatoes becomes mushy, adding sambar powder and turmeric powder according to the taste and giving it a saute. Along with that, adding the dal which is cooked and kept before. Now add the required water with adding some salt to it. So allow it to come to a boil. After that, we will add the jaggery too. So now the medu vadas are prepared and ready. Now we will add the jaggery into it as it gives a flavor of hotel. So coriander leaves as usual, and bringing it to a boil, I am switching off the stove now. So in the same oil in which I prepared medu vada, I am pouring the rolled chapatis for puri. Okay, rolled atta for puris. So now this is also ready by the side, and using the same oil and the same pan takes less time, as well as the time which we consume to wash our vessels is saved. Now by the side for uttapam, I have taken some chopped onions. One onion is enough, with green chilies as well as with grated carrot and few chopped capsicum, finely chopped capsicum. Along with this will go the coriander leaves and curry leaves into it to add flavor and required salt. So give it a proper mix, and now we will put it in the dosa and allow the pan to get heated properly, and place a ladder of batter into it. So now it's time to add the veggies, the mixed veggies which are readily kept, and now I am placing it evenly into it. This is one of our favorite breakfast and healthy too. Often this can be prepared and given to kids. Let me know, guys, which breakfast in this you have loved to watch and wanted to try as soon as possible in the comment section. And if you like my efforts, do support my channel as well as share it along with your friends. Now it's time to season the chutneys which are prepared and kept, and now the seasoning is for pongal. So cashews, peppercorns, zeera and curry leaves. So now it's time to serve the breakfast, and now the time is 9:30, and by this time 1 hour 15 minutes I have completed the breakfast which I had planned. Yes, it was a difficult task. When done with interest, I must say I enjoyed thoroughly doing all these things. So now it's time to serve the breakfast to the family, and now the idli, puri, uttapam, pongal. Wow, what a feel! And today we feel like we are in a festive mood. So it's all in our hands how we create a festive mood in our family. You can take time in a month to prepare all these for the family and enjoy it along with them. When you see kids having happily, what else we need? So with this, I complete this vlog. I hope you all enjoyed this. I will meet you soon with yet another vlog. If you have really liked my efforts, do share my video with your friends and family. So take care, and don't forget to hit a like button and comment in the section, and do subscribe friends. Thank you so much for watching friends.